Hey, good morning, folks. Happy hump day. Hope everyone's doing all right. So, really quick one as we are approaching cash equity trade open in Europe. On the docket yesterday was the US CPI. Obviously came in. If you are not aware, it came in hotter than expected. So, what markets were trying to do early on was just go for the test of this level over here that I've mentioned, and basically it's not to say got it wrong. It's just there was the expectation of that potentially happening, so it did happen. And what happened here, we were pricing in a 75 basis point hike over here, this entire thing, right? A 75 basis point hike from the Fed next week. We're doing the after the meeting, basically the FOMC announcement, 75 basis point pricing in, and then there were talks about, okay, it's just going to be 75, isn't it? So they're taking some profit, a bit of pullback, as you do, normal stuff. And then what you call it, the CPI came in hotter than expected. Basically, slowing, slower than expected. That was the wording, but in a way, it's just completely on the other side of what the market was expecting. And then there were talks about 100 basis. So basically, right now, 100 basis point hike is priced in by the markets at 19% possibility of that happening next week. It hasn't been there are no rumors as of now. This is just what the market is pricing in at 19%. So if we do hear any rumors of this potentially happening anytime between here and next Wednesday, so mind you, we will get this dollar just not even grinding higher. You will see more pressure going in through to equities, which we saw overnight. Look at this. This was what happened yesterday. 75 basis point, a bit of a pullback on the dollar. The dollar just softens a little bit. No, so we sort of just grinded higher, trying to recover from this prior inflection point, and then just bam, gave it all back. We are trading near the lows of yesterday, but steady for the time being. That's trade is mild. The possibility of this 100 basis point hike actually becoming reality. At the same time, we do have global slowdown, imminent with what do you call this? The ECB being hawkish. So we have Ursula von der Leyen speaking in about 15 minutes time. ECB's McCall also, that is pre-US Open. Um, Really nice inflection point if you ask me. So basically, by the end of the day, the directionality of these markets here are going to be sort of congruent with each other on the opposite side of the circus. I would call it a circus because that was what it looked like yesterday. Complete and utter sell-off. So the Nikkei, Asia stocks, track their counterparts from overnight, despite this market here stabilizing. So, Asia opens, and then just people were just like, you know what? Yeah, it's not a good look. Not a good look. Crude is stable actually. We did have a bit of a capitulation at the release of CPI. Okay, CPI high, more expensive dollar, but we've pretty much, if you think about it, priced that in, right? So the thing at play here with crude will be demand pictures. So OPEC monthly report yesterday was released, and they said, that they signal what a trade is. It signaled brighter days ahead in terms of demand. So that is pretty much it from me. We do have the DOE released later on today. US PPI at 1:30 London time. Uh, have a good session out there. Anything, just pop me a message via Discord. Have a good session ahead, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.